This is a message for my fellow warehousing and logistics marketers. If you are on the fence about attending the IWLA Marketing Workshop in July, this is your sign. You should just do it. I attended last year and I found it super valuable. Marketing is one of those professions where you blink and something's changed. So staying on top of what's going on, what the industry best practices are, and what our peers are doing in the industry is super valuable. And getting out of your routine also just gets those creative juices flowing, You can expect the lineup for this year to be really good and to include not just listening sessions, but interactive sessions, case study exercises, and applicable, actionable items that you can take home with you at the end of the event. I hope I can see you there.